The definition for geometric distribution is as long as the negative binomial with k equals to 1. The formula for geometric distribution is fx equals to p bracket 1 minus pn to the power of x minus 1, which x equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on. The formula of mean is 1 divided by p and the variance is 1 minus p divided by p power of 2. Example 1. Matthew is a high school basketball player and a 75 free throw shooter. What is the probability that Matthew makes his first free throw on his 5th shot? PS equals to 5 equals to 1 minus 0.75 power of 5 minus 1 multiplied by 0.75 equals to 0.00293. Representative from the National Football League's marketing division randomly selects people on a random street in Kansas City, Kansas until he finds a person who attended the last home football game. Let P, the probability that he succeeds in finding such a person, equals 0.2, and let X denote the number of people he selects until he finds his first success. What is the probability that the marketing representative must select 4 people before he finds one who attended the last home football game? From the question we can know that P equals to 0.2 and 1 minus P equals to 0.8 and X equals to 4. PS equals to 4 equals to 0.2 bracket 1 minus 0.2 power of 4 minus 1 and equals to 0.1024. There is about a 10% chance that the marketing representative will have to select 4 people before he will find one who attended the last home football game. What is the probability that the marketing representative must select more than 6 people before he finds one who attended the last home football game? Px greater than 6 equals to 1 minus p less than equal to 6 and is equal to 1 minus px equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and its answer is 0.578. How many people should we expect? That is, what is the average number that the marketing representative needs to select before he finds one who attended the last home football game? And while we are at it, what is the variance? The mean is equal to 1 divided by p, which is 1 divided by 0.2 and is equal to 5. For the variance, 1 minus p divided by p power of 2 and is equal to 0.8 divided by 0.2 of square of 2 equals to 20. The application in real life of geometric distribution is in the experiment. And taking a picture. Shopping and choosing clothes. Guess the jelly game. Shoot the ball. Exercise 1. The literacy rate for nation measures the proportion of people aged 15 and over who can read and write. The literacy rate for women in Afghanistan is 12%. Let X equals to the number of Afghani women you ask until one says that she is literate. Distribution of X. The answer is P equals to 0.12. What is the probability that you ask 5 women before one says she is literate? The answer is Px equals to 5 equals to 0.0720. What is the probability that you must ask 10 women? Px equals to 10. The answer is 0.03x0. Find the mean. So the answer is 8.3333. The standard deviation of X is 7.8174. Exercise 2. The lifetime risk of developing pancreatic cancer is about 1 in 78, which is 1.28%. That S equals to the number of people you ask until one says he or she has pancreatic cancer. Then X is a discrete random variable with a geometric distribution which is 0.0128. What is the probability of that you ask 10 people before one says he or she has pancreatic cancer? The answer is Px equals to 10 equals to 0.0114. What is the probability that you must ask 20 people? The answer is Ps equals to 20 equals to 0.0100. The answer for the mean is 78.125. The standard deviation of X is 77.6234. Exercise 3. The probability that a machine produces a defective item is 0.02. Each item is checked as it is produced. Assuming that these are independent trials, what is the probability that at least 100 items must be checked to find one that is defective? The answer is 0.1353. The conclusion for the geometric distribution is the distribution of the number of trials needed to get the first success. For the P, which stands for success, equals to P. Q stands for failure, equals to 1 minus P. X stands for the number of trials needed to get first success. The formula for the geometric distribution is Px equal to S equals to P1 minus P n to the power of x minus 1. The formula for the mean is 1 divided by P. The formula for the variance is 1 minus P divided by P power of 2. The cumulative distribution function for the geometric distribution is Px less than equal to x equals to 1 minus P power of x.